Hello guys, this is Tutorial Stream, and in this video you will learn how you can invite someone to your projects in the Todoist application, for example on your Android. So let us begin. Alright, so let me launch the Todoist app on my Android, and what you will need to do guys is tap into Browse in the bottom right corner. Here, swipe down till you get to My Projects and simply tap into the project you would like to organize or customize. So tap into it. And here you will see that overview. So in the bottom right corner, you may, for example, create and add tasks to that project. If you'd like to invite someone, simply tap into that button at the top with that plus person icon here. And simply tap into copy project link to use that invitation link, for example, to invite someone to your project. For example, using various direct messaging services, for instance, email invitations, of course, and so on and so forth. Or you simply tap into copy to clipboard here to the left, and that is going to copy your invitational link. So that's one way how you can do this, guys. You can also, of course, invite someone via email. Simply type in or tap into invite via name or email here, and enter the recipient's email address here. And after that, send invitation via email by tapping into that arrow icon in the top right corner. And that's it, guys. Hope you enjoyed it, and until next time.